Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now this video today is part of a collaboration called DIY a picture frame or any thrifted item. So who's hosting? It is Debbie Bubbles, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and myself, the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so I'm starting out here with this Goodwill picture frame. I absolutely love this picture frame, guys. Now, it was very dirty, so I'm wiping it down. And I'm not sure I really like how it's looking with that brown and the gold. And normally I would, but I have a specific picture that I want to put in this frame, so I do want to color the frame. So let's finish cleaning this off and move on to the color that I'm going to paint it. Now the glass here was pretty dirty, so I definitely needed to wipe that off as well before I take all the inside of that frame out. Now the Dollar Tree is carrying these gallery photos, and these are a great find for $1.50. I think I paid for it. Look at this. This is definitely would cost more money somewhere else. So let's take a look. I know there's 3 different types of art inside of here, and I'm gonna choose one. Now I'll utilize the other 2, but we are using the all green one, the foliage. Now I'm definitely in love with the apple barrel paint in that ivy green color. I love it. So we're gonna start out here by giving it its first coat. This is gonna take at least 2 coats to get it to where I like it. So I'm gonna leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. Now, I absolutely love that color. And once it's dry, it's a nice matte finish, but it's the green color I'm loving. We're going to open this up and take the glass out because I'm going to use the glass to measure the picture. Now you lay the glass on top of the photo and then you trace with a pen or pencil, whatever. You're going to trace that. And so this way you know the exact measurement of what you're cutting will fit in that frame. So once you're done tracing here, I had to go back twice because the pen stopped working in that corner there. But you'll go ahead and grab your scissors and start cutting that out. Now, when you're working with that glass, be very careful because you can cut yourself, okay? Okay, so we had to get a paper towel and some Windex just to wipe that glass off one more time, and then we're going to start placing this inside the frame. Now, I think this is looking absolutely beautiful. I am loving it. We're going to be heading on shortly over to the reveal. I'll see you there. Wow, I am loving the turnout of this piece. So I hope that Debbie and Sandy also give you some inspiration on some fall decor using thrifted items. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.